Hello guys, so today I'm gonna go ahead and fly the Karma for the first time. This is the first flight with the Karma. You can see here I almost put my drones here for a test flight, but I'm gonna go ahead and see what this guy can do. And also not even using my phone. Okay, that's what I like about the Karma. Don't worry about using the phone. You can just use the transmitter for this guy here instead of me using cell phone. It's kind of annoying sometimes, but now I'm gonna go ahead and use the controller, okay, and go from here. First flight ever, not even using my phone, so it's gonna be awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this crazy stuff here. Is it ready? I'm getting headache. Here you go. So if you want to do this, do it at the same time. Oh my god. Oh man, I'm going dizzy right now. Woo, got it.
Step 1 is finished.
Step 1 is finished. Oh, I'm headache right now. I think this bit me. Step 2.
Calibration is complete.
Alright, calibration is completed. Alright. Let's go ahead and do a video. What mode? I'm gonna go resolution. I'm gonna put it 4K 60. And now I'm doing a 4K 60. So go ahead and see what Karma can do. Wow. Hold on. Okay.
Ready to fly.
Ready to fly.
3, 2,
Hold it in.
1.
And Karma is flying. And you just go ahead and wow, this is crazy. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the video. Just recording right now. Wow, it's been a while I had my GoPro Karma. Wow, it's been a while I had my GoPro Karma. See that, guys? Not using a phone. Everything is in your hand. Wow, look at GoPro Karma here. Just take a nice cool video. See what this guy can do. And the reason why I got this, guys, because the Anana fee, it's something wrong with the range. I mean, I understand if you're missing an app, but when you are missing something else, you know, it's crazy. So now I'm just going over here doing some cool videos. It's windy right now. I don't know how this thing is gonna affect. It's pretty cool. I'll raise it up. Gonna go up to here. And then I'm just gonna go down smooth. And then you can see to myself here. It's windy. We're gonna go ahead and see if this guy, and I'm right there. It's blowing. And then I'm gonna stop my video. Oh wow, sorry. Almost turned off. And then I'm gonna come back down. Remember guys, this is my first flight with the Karma. It's been a long time. I had the first version, but this is right here, and right now it's capturing me. I mean, it's pretty quiet. Quieter than before. Surprised. So I got that. Then I'm gonna do modes. All right, I'm gonna change back to 4K 60. It's windy right now. Okay. Alright, got 4K 60. Oh wow. Wow, nothing's like just wanna go down. Alright, I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure. I'm gonna go ahead and return to home. I just want to land over here the way I want it. And there you go. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay.
Ready to fly.
He's ready to fly.
Ready to fly. 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Karma.
Karma's lift. So we're gonna go ahead and see if we can do flight modes. So we're gonna do a droney. Okay. And it's doing a droney. I want it fast. And then we'll go ahead and go fast. And it's doing a droney. Woohoo! That's awesome. Nice. I'm enjoying it already. Wow. Just doing this thing is pretty fun. Okay. Go back here. And it's coming to me. It's awesome, man. Wow. It's awesome, all right?
Auto shot pod cancelled.
Okay, let's go ahead. Okay.